straight.
That's not going to do it, mate. You've made a right mess of this, mate.
I'm gonna mess with your face in a minute.
Round 1. Fight!
Hello everybody, start to another great week. The guys are just finishing off at my wife's school, carton bowling there. They might get it done today, if not they might have a couple of hours in the morning just cleaning down and, you know, putting a few fixings on and touching up paint, stuff like that. We'll see how they get on later on this afternoon, but Jamie's back now from holiday. In fact, me and Jamie went to the gym this morning and I think he's impressed how strong I'm getting.
Is that all you got? Is that all you got?
So yeah, Justin will be back tomorrow because obviously he didn't have a vehicle to get there this morning. So yeah, that's us anyway, and then rest of the week we've got a timber job I think midweek and a little repair to do in Doncaster, I think that was that way anyway. Got a couple of little mesh jobs as well back end of the week, no major, and then next week we've got a decent one next week at a school in Keighley. So yeah, hopefully the lads will get some good footage and we'll keep you updated as we go along.
So, good morning on this beautiful Monday. We're at Carlton Bowling School in Undercliff, and it's good to say that no one's touched the fencing over the weekend. Obviously, you know the situation with this last week, all being destroyed. Look at that, all of it ripped to shreds. This is all being taken down and reused now, so all this is new. It's going all the way down. So all these panels were old panels that they had. We actually just cut the post below ground level, covered them over and reused all the panels. So usually you don't, standardly you can get them in 2.5 metre wide, but these are like 6 milli really, like heavy duty stuff this. There's three more panels at 2 metre wide sections, 2.4 high to put in, and then the rest of it's 3 metre wide panels, 2.4 high going all the way down. It's slightly going to be stepping all down just due to obviously the nature of the hill. This side here will probably go in smaller panels and just that little section there. So it's just one more post to get bolted there, and that'll be your single, your double, your little infill, and then going across the wall, crank post again, and it's actually going all the way down to the second piece of palisade. So I'm going to stay with them today, all three of us on this to get it done today, and we'll get out of here. Alright, so we're on about 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, we're just going down this hill now. Obviously, bear in mind that bit.
Not today.
Don't listen to these two. Full of shit, both of them. I'm just having a look at these gaps here. All caps are on, been around and done that. It's looking nice. Go on, that's how much crap they talk. Justin's got his trainers on. Boots them, lad. It's looking nice, look at that. Fresh.
Oh, we've had a bit of a thinking about this morning. Been one of those mornings, typical Monday. Over the weekend, something had fallen off Justin's van underneath, so he had to take it to garage on Saturday morning where we normally take them. So he's had to get 3 or 4 buses here, bless him, this morning. And then he gets here and he's left key for big van in his little van. Like, what a nightmare. And I thought, oh, we haven't had that van long. I think I've actually got a spare key at home. So it goes to my house, up and down everywhere, can't find it where I'd normally keep it. What's going on here? You'll have to drop me off in my car and go up to the garage, which is quite a few miles away from here. And I just, as I was getting back in the car with Justin, I says, oh, there's my other jacket there, back. I'll just check pockets. Lo and behold, spare keys in there. Oh God, you know, it's just one of those mornings. So I've literally had it in my jacket since I got that new van delivered, but anyway. Whew. Been a busy one today. I've literally got back about an hour ago. I ain't stopped. Been out all morning since crack of morning doing surveys. It's that time of year now, coming up to school holidays. Every school seems to be calling me, and some of our contractors that we work for as well. Obviously they've got bits in schools and stuff. Yeah, so it's very busy at the minute, but yeah, that's just how we like it. Yeah, Jamie's off again today actually. Had something on and Justin stepped in to give Baggy and just finishing at Carlton Bolling, which they have done there. He sent me a video. They're more or less done. They're just finishing last bits, touching up any scratches and rubbing it down, washing it down, that type of thing. Well, I must have done a half decent job anyway. The clients have already passed us another job. They want doing some steel palisade down the other side where all the locals seem to be dumping the stuff down there, so it's a bit of a nightmare. So I'll get, that's one of my jobs, to get that ordered today. I'm just, like I say, I'm getting, as soon as I got back I had to get some prices sorted. Just been doing that now, some suppliers, some jobs I've seen today, so they're all a little bit tricky really, with gates and posts and this and the other, nothing straightforward. Otherwise could use some of the stock we've already got in yard, but as usual it's all to order, so yeah, I'm just waiting on prices for that coming back and I can send the prices over.
It's been one of them jobs. It's been a little tricky, but we've got there in the end. So yeah, it's looking decent. I'm just going to take a walk down now. We've been along, I self-tapped all the bottoms what needed it, and Baggy's gone along the top. All got caps on. So this is 2.4 high, 2 seconds, someone's coming fast. So it's 2.4 high V-mesh in green. These panels here are actually in 2.5 metre sections, just because they had this fence line there. We've taken it out, replaced it with crank posts and reinstalled it. So obviously some of the fencing is a bit, it's been in a lot of years. And then I'll show you where it changes, where we get into our panels. You can pretty much tell because the old panels have 4 Vs in it. The new ones have 3 in it. So you can see the difference in the green. Well, I can. Don't know about the camera. Difference there. So we're literally so this is 1, 2, 3, and this is where we started with our panels. So we've come all the way down to the corner. We've actually taken this back out, this section here, and re-put it in. All this here, all been taken out and re-put in. It's because it was slightly tilted, so we adjusted it all so it's all nice and level. Got a single pedestrian gate there with a drop bolt in, and all the fence in there. Show you this here, so the drop bolt's there. Sprayed it up white so they can clearly see it. And it's all looking very nice. So Baggy waiting to get out, I'm blocking him in. And all very nice, drop bolts in, all fencing all the way down. We'll just go down there and take a quick look, and we'll be out of here. Look at that, looking very nice all the way down, all the way to the single gate. Right there, so all they've got to do now is come, put some locks on it. What we do here is, obviously because the fencing is 2.4 on the wall, the gates are 2.4 from the floor, we just attached intermediate posts to the actual post itself, bolt it in, and then obviously the panels fit very nicely all the way to the end, and we even give them a little extra infill with a post on top, just so, you know, no point blocking it all off, and then if people can walk through there, there's no point. So we've done that as well. So yeah, we'll get out of here and have a good day.
Get me out.
Get me out of that.
Get me out of this shithole!
Got these two arguing today. They're just about to get off. Just got a timber job to do today. I'm going to get rid of all the chores what I've been gathering all week.
Got his boots on.
Just to prove a point. Well, these two are, mate, they've been arguing in cat and mouse this morning. So yeah, we've got a bit of scrap from other jobs, so I'm going to get rid of that. Got loads of timber to get rid of, got loads of orders in, because obviously Jamie were off last week. Left me a bit of catching up to do.
Bags of carrying it in there, doing those.
Yeah.
Hanging boxes.
As soon as, we like to say, Jamie, as soon as there's something heavy to carry, he either goes and does water, or he goes hides in cabin. Don't you? Hiding away. So we've had a bit of a crazy one this morning. Lads have had a puncture, We went to go put our gate safe on a gate from yesterday, and today's job is placing this feather edge fence for a new feather edge fence. So it's literally going to be going to that corner there, all the way down. All that's to come out, get that on my van now, and go take it to Skip.
Straight.
That's not going to do it, mate. You've made a right mess of this, mate.
Messy off tracing, isn't it?
Destroying flowers in garden and that, Jamie. That wore a full panel before Jamie got his hands on it.
But that is stopped now, this is on.
So lads are getting all taped down. I've already taken it down. You'll see my video earlier, what it looked like beforehand. This is it now. So it's literally just going from there to there. Lads are just lifting this onto my van now, and then I'm going to get off. Perfect time of day, Pop Masters on, 10:30. Yeah, it's a beautiful day for it, that's for sure.
So, good morning YouTube. Oof, Friday already, sun got round there. It's in 2 minutes since last Friday, but hey, here we are. As you probably noticed, I'm just in Justin's little van actually today. Mine, well, this were in during week, something had fallen off bottom, it's all done now. And then we swapped it over because mine was due at MOT. So let's hope there's not too much wrong with that. I'd say we'll probably finish here. We've had a good week really. Finished a big school where my wife works, and done a timber, and then this one. So yeah, we've got some big busy weeks coming up. Starting next week, we've got another school in Keighley to do with a few gates, and well, it's all schools really, to be honest. But yeah, we've got a busy few weeks coming up. So yeah, I'd just like to thank everyone that, you know, gives us a like, a thumbs up. And if you give us another like on this one, and whilst you're here, why not subscribe? And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.